three tribes of the Arctic: the Inuit, Aleut, and the Yupik. The Inuit. The Inuit hunted animals such as whales, walrus, seals, polar bears, birds, and fish. They gathered whatever food was available, like stems, berries, and seaweed. They lived in igloos. The Inuit would gather 19 people and choose a government leader that would control work and hunting. The climate was always cold, but during a period known as the Little Ice Age, it got colder. Fish was a very important resource to them because it was one of their only source of meat. Inuit. Interesting facts. A member of the Inuit was called an Unik. Soft boots worn by the Inuit are called kamik. In order to mark areas and keep from getting lost, paths were marked with a pile of stones, called an Uniksuk. The Inuit had no formal marriage ceremony or ritual. After hunting, they would perform a ritual and sing songs in honor of the animal spirits. The Aleut. The Aleut lived in underground houses called barbara. They would build the houses by digging a square pit in the ground, adding a roof, covering it with grass, and then with mud. Their main food source was fish, and during the summer there was a lot of it. Men, women, and children would occupy themselves almost 100% by catching, drying, salting down, and preparing for eating of the fish. The climate of the Aleut was very cold, just like all the other parts of the Arctic region. The geography was flat, cold, and no trees. Aleut. Fun facts. The Aleut are Native American people of the Aleut Islands. The name Alaska comes from an Aleut word meaning mainland. The Aleut are closely related to the Inuit. The Aleut early ancestors are called the Palo-Aleut. The Yupik. The Yupik lived in barbara, just like the Aleut. They used spears, bows, arrows, and harpoons to hunt. The climate was very cold, and the geography was the same as the Aleut, flat, cold, and treeless. Fish was important to them, just like the Aleut and the Inuit, because there was a lot of it, and it occupied most of the people's times. And also, fish was a very common meal for all of them. Yupik. Interesting facts. The Yupik had a very loose style of government. Yupik can be spelled Y-U-P-I-K or Y-U-P-I-Q. Yupik plural is Yupit. The traditional way of life for the Yupik is semi-nomadic. The Yupik overall population at today is estimated at 24,000 people.